moms and daddies, I am Pratiksha and I welcome you all to our channel My Curry Motherhood. Today I have bought a recipe for you which is a roasted makhana recipe, which is also known as foxnut or lotus seeds, or we also say fool makhana or makhana in Hindi. This is an ideal snack which we can offer to our babies and toddlers and growing kids. It is known for its versatility because we can make multiple things out of it. We can make porridge, we can make a dessert, we can make many kinds of curry, vegetable curries. So this is an ideal dish which I think is good for my family and my baby. Apart from that, the next question which you can ask is that when can we introduce this to our baby? See, we can introduce this makhana or foxnut to our baby once the child starts solid, but don't make this as don't introduce initially. Introduce rice, cereal or fruit puree, and after that around 6.5 months to 7 months you give a makhana cereal to your baby. But in this video I am sharing with you the roasted makhana recipe, which acts as a finger food for very tasty finger food for the baby, and you can give this to your baby once the baby starts chewing around 8 months or 9 months plus babies. So before that, let's see the video, and after that we are going to discuss some health benefits of makhanas or the foxnuts. So let's get started with the video. Before starting the video, please if you like the video, hit the like button and share and subscribe with your friends and family. These are my ingredients. I have taken a bowl full of foxnuts. This is desi ghee, homemade, or you can purchase it from market, or you can use butter. Salt and black pepper, both are optional. Now before roasting them, I will try to show you how they look like. See, I am pressing them with my fingers, and these are quite tight and seems to be like rubber and not at all crunchy. So when you will put it in your mouth, it will stick in your mouth, and even if you offer this to your baby, they won't be interested in eating this at all because they stick to the teeth very fast. So we will take a kadhai or a pan. In that we will add a tablespoon of ghee. You can make little or more ghee as per your taste, but 1 or 1.5 tablespoon of ghee is enough. In that we will add our foxnuts, and immediately after adding the foxnuts we will continue stirring it so that the ghee or the butter absorbs in the foxnuts very nicely. Because if you will not stir continuously, some foxnuts which are there on the butter will absorb all the ghee and the remaining will not be able to absorb. So in this way you have to keep on stirring initially, and make sure to make them very crunchy. You have to keep the flame of your gas very low. In between you can also leave. It is not very much necessary to continuously stir. In initial stage you have to stir, but after that you can leave also. So this is the way I am roasting my foxnuts. See, they are changing the color, and also you will see when I have added them, they were quite large in number, but after some time they start squeezing. So this is how they are changing their colors. And then I will add very little salt and black pepper. You can basically it is preferred to add salt and black pepper at the end, but in the between also you can add, but make sure you have to keep them roasting nicely. So here you will see that they are almost roasted and my foxnuts are very ready to eat. The colors has been changed. So now I will show you how crunchy they are. You will be able to listen to the sound of the foxnuts. They are completely roasted now. Now please listen to the sound. Heard how crunchy they are. So take them out in an airtight container after they are completely cooled down, and then put the lid. Now you will see the excess salt are already there in the pan, and now my roasted foxnuts are very ready to eat, and this is very healthy and nutritious for your child. So let your baby enjoy them. Is it yummy, Divu? Yummy. Yummy कैसे होता है? You will like this? Yummy? my daughter is enjoying the fox nuts. So now let's discuss about the health benefits of makhanas or the fox nuts. The first thing is that they are very rich source of protein, which is very good for the muscle building in case of growing kids and babies. Second, it is rich in antioxidants. Third, it has a right amount of calcium in it, which helps in making the bones and teeth of the babies very strong. Fourth, it is gluten free, which is which helps in causing food allergies in babies very less. Fifth, it is high in fiber, which helps in preventing the constipation in babies. Apart from this is a very ideal snack for we adults also. It is very beneficial for those who are suffering from any kind of heart disease, who are suffering from obesity. It is very good for diabetics also, and also person from suffering from high cholesterol or fat problem. This is an ideal snack for all of them. And also in Ayurveda, it is considered as a very good food for kidney also. Apart from that, mothers, it is a very anti aging food for you, because it has lots of antioxidants and which makes your skin glow. So these are the overall health benefits of makhana. Apart from this, I love it personally because I too like to eat it, and also it makes me stress free when we have to go out with my daughter Devisha. I always carry a box of makhanas with me because she loves to eat it, and while traveling or while going anywhere for outing, this is the ideal thing which I always keep with me, this banana and mini 2-3 options more. So this is the complete benefits of the makhanas or the fox nuts. I hope you liked it, and if you liked it, just hit the like button and share with your friends and families. I will come again with a new recipe for you all. Till then, thank you so much. Goodbye.